Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalite.in. Friends, Macleods company is conducting walk-in interview at Indore for the following locations: Sikkim and Baddi formulation units. Friends, if you want to go for these walk-in interviews, and please listen to the video completely, and I will also discuss the process to register for this walk-in interview, because only the candidates who register for the interview are interviewed at the time at the location. So let us see the details. Coming to the departments, they are looking for production, quality control, quality assurance and technical services. So for production department, Baddi and Sikkim locations are available. For technical associate, solid oral, the qualification is B.Pharm M.Pharm, D.Pharm, ITI, Diploma or engineering. So minimum 2 years experience is required. And for Sikkim locations, executive or senior executive, injectable. So B.Pharm or M.pharm are eligible. For executive or senior executive, minimum 6 years of experience in liquid injectables department. And coming to the officer or senior officer, packaging injectable, B.Pharm or M.pharm with minimum 2 years of experience. And coming to the technical associate injectable department, so you must have either diploma in pharmacy or ITI or engineering diploma with 2 to 6 years of experience in autoclave, vial washing, vial filling, sealing, labeling, tunnel process and final packing. So coming to the quality control department, the location is Baddi and the qualification is M.pharm, B.pharm or M.sc with for officer or senior officer, solid oral and 2 to 6 years of experience in finished goods and stability. And coming to the quality assurance, Baddi and Sikkim locations, officer or executive, for Baddi which is solid oral, for Sikkim it is injectable, B.pharm or M.pharm is the qualification, minimum 2 years of experience in the relevant field. And coming to the technical services, the location is Baddi, officer or executive, solid oral, M.pharm with 3 to 10 years of experience. Friends, for this walk-in interview, you need to register yourself by scanning this code. So please take a screenshot of this code and scan in the Google Lens. Then you will be directed to the page that you are seeing like this. And this walk-in interview is on 17th July, and you need to carry your CV, salary structure and Aadhaar card. And the venue is Papaya Tree Group of Hotels, AB Road, Bypass Square, AB Road, opposite Dr. Hardia Eye Hospital, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So you can contact the following persons for any queries you have. So this is the process, friends. You need to scan this QR code, or you can click on the link in the description. From there you can scan the code, and you need to click register here. So like this, I am clicking now, register. So I am clicking now. So from there you need to enter your mobile number, email address and get OTP, and after that you need to fill the application for the walk-in interview. So these are the detailed steps, my dear friends. Thank you for watching.